Welcome to the tutorial, everybody. Thanks for joining me. My name is Christian Johnson. I am the owner of UPMEN, and today I wanted to bring you guys through our design tool. It's really not a complicated tool. It's pretty much built to walk you through it. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward and fun. I mean, the hardest part for me is just not getting caught up in such a crazy design. So let's jump into it. The beginning of this workflow, we'll call it a workflow. It's simple. It's arrows. If you don't want to just get carried away and start dragging the boot around, clicking on different areas, seeing what you can customize, that's fine. These arrows are going to walk you through each customizable section of the boot. And you can customize based off that. You'll see your options and colors pop up below. That's one way to do it. The second way to do it is, as I mentioned, clicking around on the boot and just kind of playing it off the cuff, really. So just start designing on these arrows. Let's complete this pebble grain look. Black on black. Absolutely. Let's keep that welt. I like that. Whoever designed that is a good choice. I agree. Ooh, there we go. Blue. All right. And I think I'm going to finish my design off with, there it is. Subtle, but the navy is real. All right. So now that we've made a boot, I'm looking at the design. I'm not sure if this is the right boot yet. Maybe it is. I need some time to think about it and come back. So how do I do that? Well, right up here in the top right corner, we've got swatch icon, a share icon, and obviously the help icon, as you've found me here. So if I click on the share, it saves my design, your design. What it's going to do is list out the materials. Okay, here we have it. I've got all of the different materials per section of the boot listed out for me. I can copy the URL right here, save that to my bookmarks. Now my design is saved. I plug that into my browser. Boom, I'm right back here. I click Customize on 3D Configurator if I want to make some changes. Or if I decided I'm totally happy with this boot, I'm going to click on Order Now. And likewise, in keeping with share, we share to all the major social media platforms. All right, let's get back to designing. So I'm settled on this design, guys. I think I just want to reference this box calf. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, let's go ahead and add our boot to cart. Select for size. Thank God there's wide options. And look at that. It knows my taste. So I like to have my welt color the same as my heel block color. You'll notice on the configurator tool, it doesn't show it on the heel block. That's okay. If you do want that, please just type match heel block color to welt color right in the order notes, and that'll be done. And it is as simple as that. You've got your totally unique boots ready to order. 4 weeks. The craftsmanship is ready to begin. We hope you enjoy, and thank you for joining me.